Welcome back to Amazing Coaches Group with Lisa Santiago. In this module, we're going to learn how to set up an opt-in funnel for a group subscription membership program. We're going to use free tools to do this, and we are going to go step by step so that you can duplicate it. The first two steps were covered in the first unit, group and PayPal, creating the group that you will administer your coaching in, and the PayPal link that you will use to collect funding from. Now, we're going to use a tool to create our funnel. This tool is in your resources and it's called MailerLite. It is free up to the first 1,000 contacts that you have, and then it is only $20 after that, and you actually will get $20 free just by using the link in your resources funnel. So I'm going to use my I was getting ready to say I'm just going to copy my group, but I think that you guys will probably want to create it from the beginning. So let's create it from the beginning. We're logged in to MailerLite.com, and the link to your free version is in your resources and tools, in the resources and tool unit of our membership group. So now you want to create the landing page, and we're going to give it a name. And remember, this is just an internal name. But for me, I need to keep them distinct so that I can keep my clients distinct and separate. We're going to create a new group for this particular landing page. And the reason why I create a new group is because I want to see how effective this particular landing page is. So we're going to go ahead and create it, and then make sure that nothing is selected, and then go down and select it. It has no members now, and we're going to go ahead and save and continue. Now, there are lots of awesome templates in here, and it is really, really cool to just go ahead and use one of the templates that is in there to create what it is that you want to offer to your clients. I'm going to go ahead and choose this e-course because it really closely resembles what it is that we're doing anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and choose select. You can get as fancy or as not fancy as you want with this. I'm going to say, let's not be fancy, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and delete that top bar right there altogether. And we're gonna change this image. We're gonna select this and then click on the piece of paper with a pencil so that it'll allow us to edit. We're gonna go to the settings of this page so that we can change that background picture because it doesn't have anything to do with his group. What we're going to do is upload his cover again and reuse it. Select it there and it'll show there. Now, what we've noticed now is it doesn't really look that great. So we can take it out. Let's just delete it all together and have nothing there. Or we can change the background color from white to green if I can find it. There we go, to green, and at least allow it to reflect his colors, okay? We want to keep this simple. And we'll click on save there. Go back, and instead of subscribe for your 6 months, we're going to say download your free 1, 2, 3 formula today. Okay? And he wants the email, and he wants the name, and let's say the 1, 2, 3 formula teaches you how to systematically gain more clients today. Now, this is an actual formula. It's an ebook, 1, 2, 3 formula ebook. Let me change that to ebook today. The 1, 2, 3 formula ebook teaches you how to systematically gain more clients today. I'm going to change this to centered, align center. And the button is going to change to download. Let's click on save. And then on down, we're going to add here bonus. And then we're going to get these bonuses in here. We're going to get rid of this because this doesn't suit our needs. And we're going to choose some text here. Now, the first bonus is if you, for simply downloading the 1, 2, 3 formula ebook, you qualify for amazing discount off of the one-on-one coaching session with Brian K. McNeil. You qualify for an amazing. Let me get my language right in there. In this session, he will teach you how to tell your story so that you can gain more interest and more clients. He will help you to discover what is keeping you from the sales you deserve, and you will feel like you earned over $2,000 just from taking this one-on-one class. Many have said they would have spent so much more. But you don't even have to spend that because this is only going to be for only $97, which is a savings of $200. His sessions are usually, they're usually $297, but this is what he's offering for this. I'm going to make this centered. I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make the color something else. Maybe I'll use the green. And I'll make it bold. And I'll put this underneath. But you can get as cute with it as you want or whatever. And then we'll need to go back over to his PayPal because we're going to have to create a button back in the tools. We'll have to create a button for the $97. So we're going to go to PayPal buttons again. And we're going to say buy now. And we're going to say 1-on-1 coaching session with $200 discount. And so we're going to call this OOC 02. And the price is $97. And the step 3 is going to take the customers to his calendar. Now I need to save that. I happen to know that, but I need to save that in his file. So that we'll have that. And that way they can access that once they check out. Okay? We'll click on the create button for there. And for this one, we're going to select the code, right click, choose copy, go back over here, PayPal HTML for the $97. And then the PayPal link for $97. Let me get that link. Simply go to the email tab, select it, right click, and choose copy. There we go. And put it right in there. And then you have that. Now, once you get everything where you've started earning money with your program and you can hire a virtual and admin and all of that, I still encourage you that anything that has to directly do with your money that you do personally, okay? Anything that directly has to do with your money, you do personally. So then we're going to change this here. We're going to delete this. And this time I'm going to delete this too. And I'm going to leave that for now. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to insert the next offer. So let's add another offer. Let's choose to put a title in there, another title. And then you click on the paper with the pencil, and we're going to call this one bonus offer number 2. And we're going to go ahead and save that. And now that I think about it, these bonuses need to be on the other page. So Lisa, you're going to have to take them off of here and put them on the success page. And I'm going to explain why. The reason why is if I put them on the front, then the person who's coming to this landing page does not have to enter their email address. So let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's keep this verbiage so we don't have to recreate the wheel. Put it over here. And then let's go back and delete this, and delete this, and delete this, and delete this, and delete this. And we're just going to delete everything on the front page. We're going to delete this so that the only thing on this page is here. And we're gonna take them to his page, but I'll update that later. Okay, you can update your social information there and save it. And then we're gonna go to the success page. And on the success page, we're going to say, thank you. Here are some bonuses, right? We're gonna tell them that they have the option for some bonuses. So let's get that verbiage that we got from over here. For simply downloading blah, blah, blah. We got that. Let's put in here the bonuses. Thank you. Please take a look at our bonuses just for you. I'm going to take the thank you off. And we'll also need to add another link for the download, because you got to give them what they already wanted, which is the download of the ebook. So I will get that in just a minute. We'll fix this up. I'm just cleaning it up now, making it bold, making this part centered, increasing the size to 20. And all those things. And we're going to turn it green, of course, the text color. And for only $97, I'm not on screen. For only $97, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the link in there for the PayPal so that you can pay for the one-on-one session. Okay, I'm going to right click. We're going to select that. As you can see, we're going to highlight and select it. We're going to choose that. It looks like a link, and it's called a link once you highlight it, and it's going to say insert link. We're going to paste that link in there, and we're going to tell it to open a new window because we don't want them to lose sight of where they are. Okay, and we're going to save that there. Now let's add some more text above the bonus so that we can give them what they originally came for. Here is your free copy of the 1, 2, 3, I can't get that, 3 formula. Be sure to review it immediately and take action. And then we'll put that link in there. Hold on, I'm going to have to find that link. All right, now that we have found the link, we'll go ahead and add a button and make that button go to the 1, 2, 3 formula. Okay. And we're going to open that link in a new window because we want to keep them where they are or where they can get back to this as much as possible. All right. I'm going to save that, and I'm going to select this and change the design of that button to be green and the font to be, probably should be white. Yeah, we'll leave the font white. Leave the font to be white. Okay. So let's save that there. So here's the formula. They get that, and then they get a bonus. Let's get rid of this extra space. It's just a line. Just delete it. Move that up. Bonus. Matter of fact, let me add an image just for grins. I add an image up here. of the 1, 2, 3 formula, which I should have already in the database. Yep, there we go. And let's save that. Let's make this a little bigger because it just looks dwarfed up. So I'm going to make it 24. We'll save it. Now we have that there. We go down to the bonus, and the one-on-one is there. And then we'll go to continue, which we don't need a button for continue. So we're going to get rid of that. And we're going to add another bonus. So I'm going to say this is bonus number 1. Save that, and let's just copy it. And we see this four-way arrow, you can just drag it. So let's drag that down after that and add some more content underneath it, because now we've got to get them to your subscription or to his subscription. So this is bonus number 2. We're going to go ahead and add another image right here. And bonus number 2 is going to be the Selling Your Services Academy. Now we'll add some text that tells about Selling Your Services Academy, which the client has not yet given me, so I'm going to make something up right now. Join Selling Your Services Academy and learn how to sell your services better than ever before so that you can earn more than ever before. This instructor-led group coaching academy will allow you to obtain high quality selling your services training in a highly interactive environment with a world-renowned sales coach and trainer. And let's go ahead and make this justified as opposed to all of that. The learning modules are affordable and interactive. Join today for only $9.99 and enjoy full access for 14 days. If you choose to continue with training, it's only $49 a month thereafter with 0 contracts. Okay? And then we put the button there that had to do with the Selling Your Services Academy. We're going to go ahead and copy that. Come back here. See these little this thing that says HTML? That's what we want. We want that. And see where we are? We're at the bottom. So we're going to choose, we have our cursor at the bottom. We're going to choose these double arrows and we are going to insert by right-clicking and pasting that information in there and save it, and it will now show up over here as a button that people can simply click and join your membership. And we'll click on save, and that is it. You have successfully created your own subscription-based program with no coding, no websites, no nothing. We'll go ahead and close it out so that I can show you how to market and share it by clicking on next. We're going to give this a name, an easy to use name. We're going to shorten it again because we will create a bit link after we get finished. But right now we're going to call it the Selling Your Services Academy. Actually, that's only one of the opt-ins. So we're going to call it a free 1, 2, 3 ebook. And that is what is going to be seen on the page. So we're going to have sales, training, workshop, learning, selling, services. There is a strategic way to look up the keywords, but I'm not doing that today. The meta description is download the free 1, 2, 3 ebook and take your sales to the next level today. And if you're wondering why I didn't mention the Academy, is because the Academy is actually the upsell. We'll allow them to download. We will allow them, we just copied and paste that. We're going to call it again, the Facebook share title is the free 1, 2, 3 formula ebook. And the description we'll put in there. And the share image is also going to be, I don't think we have anything with selling your services. Yeah, we do. We use this. Use the cover of the book. And we will save and continue. Now you can come back in and edit any parts of this as you decide to. We have it all set up. We have our preview. We have our group. We've got it all together. We're going to copy this URL and I'm going to let you see where that URL takes us, because what we just did was create a landing page right here. Now that I think about it, we can go back, we can edit this landing page and put the book on the first page so that it shows up nicely on here. Let's add a image really quickly. Here we go. We'll add this image and we will simply select the 1, 2, 3 formula image to utilize to bring the clients to this opt-in, which is a funnel. Now, what we're doing right now is reverse engineered. We're implementing the reverse engineered procedure. And I'll explain that in just a moment. So the same URL, we're going to copy it. I'm going to go ahead over here and let you see what it now looks like. It's the 1, 2, 3 formula. Download your formula, all of that. If I were to put in my email address, I'm going to do here now, click on download. It's a fully functional landing page. I can download the ebook. It's going to bring up another window, or I can read on down to the bonuses. If I click this link, it'll take me to PayPal. so that I can pay for it. If I go on down further and click on this link, it'll take me to a different PayPal and it'll let me set up my subscription. So that's all it took. We have just created the entire funnel to drive people from your free to your low end to your passive income right here in less than 45 minutes. I certainly hope that you have seen value in today's lesson, and I look forward to building and growing with you as we continue to educate moving forward. Have an amazing, amazing night.